Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video is going to be a look at what I eat in a day. So it's like a What I Eat Wednesday. It was inspired by Anna Saccone Jolie. I always used to love watching her What I Ate Wednesdays, and just a little look at my life vlog style during quarantine. You may watch my weekly vlogs, which is pretty similar, but that is just like a full week of what I'm up to. This is just going to be today, and I thought I would share like what I'm eating, how I prepare my food. I don't eat the healthiest, and I'm not on a kind of like regular schedule. I only eat a few times a day, but I thought I would just share that with you because I always get comments on like the food I've been eating, so I thought I would share like an in-depth video how I prepare that. So I didn't really get ready today. I brushed out my natural hair and I don't have any makeup on because I'm just here at home. I'm not doing much. I was motivated to get dressed, so I'll show you my outfit of the day in the mirror now. Here is a look at my outfit of the day that I'm wearing today. I decided to kind of dress up to get me more motivated. So my headband I just got recently. It is from Target. It's the Sugar Fix by Bobble Bar brand. And then my outfit is pretty much old besides the headband, so I just put this top on because it's a little warm out today and it looks really cute, and I love like this rose it has on it. And then these leggings were from Victoria's Secret. I'll link something similar. They're just really good leggings and I love the color. And then just some white flat shoes. I'll link something similar as well. But yeah, that is a look at my outfit. Didn't do too much with my hair. This is my natural hair. I just brushed it out. I didn't really want to curl it today because I'm pretty much not going anywhere. I'm just here in my house. I just brushed through it, so that's why it's a little frizzy at the moment. But yeah, at least I put a little bit of effort into my outfit. So yeah, this is kind of what I wear to motivate me because I feel like I'm dressed up instead of just wearing loungewear or pajamas. This is somewhat like a going out outfit. So yeah, that is a look at my outfit of the day. I'll link everything that I can down below or something similar if you want to check it out. I'm gonna share with you the first meal of the day. It's technically breakfast, but I get up later, so it is technically a lunch. So that is why I don't really have an essential breakfast early in the morning. I get up pretty late, so it is technically my lunch. That's why I told you that my schedule is not the best in the world, and it's not like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I eat lunch, dinner, and a snack at night. So that is what you'll be seeing. Here is how I prepared my breakfast this morning. I was still in my pajamas when I did it because it was earlier in the day. This is my typical breakfast that I eat almost every day. It's just a plain bagel that I get from the 99-cent store, the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, and Philadelphia original cream cheese. That is my go-to, and I'm not tired of it whatsoever. I'm just popping that into my toaster and pressing the bagel button. And to go with the bagel this morning, I'm going to have the Morningstar sausage links. I'm just going to have 3 of those. I'm popping them into the microwave. Usually I do it in the frying pan or the oven, but I'm lazy today, so I'm just doing it for 1 minute in the microwave on a microwavable plate. Once that is all done, I just take that out. They cook pretty easily, and I just get my bagel with it. I put a light layer of cream cheese on it. I like my bagels a little bit like toasty, so this is perfect for me. So as you can see, it's just a light layer of cream cheese that I put on to it, and then I just smother it with everything with the bagel seasoning. I love this stuff so much, and I was influenced to buy it, and I love it. Then I'm going into the fridge and grabbing the orange juice, and I also get a cup of water as well, but I forgot to film that. But I'm just having Sunny D, going into the cupboard, which I need to organize, getting my favorite mug, and then I'm just putting the Sunny D into that. I don't put it in a glass. I like drinking out of a mug. And this is my completed breakfast. Looks pretty good. I put some ice so it's really cold into my orange juice. I like really cold orange juice. And that is my breakfast slash lunch. So I put the bagel on top of each other because that's how I eat it. and then I just go into bed, watch the Sony Jolies, eat my breakfast, and that is my pretty much morning routine, afternoon routine. I'm not sure, but I eat my bagel in bed. I always eat breakfast slash lunch in bed, unless I'm with my parents. Then we have brunch out in the living room, but sometimes I just eat by myself in my bedroom and have some alone time. So yeah, that is my breakfast slash lunch. I put my hair up because I wanted it out of my face. It's just gonna be in a ponytail from now on, but I still had to keep on the headband because it is so cute. I usually go onto my laptop here in my desk space, so that is what I usually end up doing after lunch. I don't really get hungry. I eat around 3 o'clock and then I prepare dinner around 8. So in between then, I'm usually pretty content with just a bagel. You kind of saw a little bit of my work routine in my night routine, so that was a fun video to shoot, and you can see like a little in-depth in that. I showed what I ate in that as well, but just dinner version. This is everything that I'm going to eat today because it is a what I ate. That is pretty much my schedule. I am mostly pesceterian, I think is what it's called nowadays. I used to be called a vegetarian. I was a vegetarian for a few years. I started eating meat again, I think a year and a half ago. So I only eat chicken. I don't eat any other meat. Sometimes I'll eat like fish fillet, but other than that, I only eat chicken. So that's usually what my diet consists of. And I also don't eat the healthiest. I try to sometimes I just eat comfort food and what makes me happy. So I'm not really on any certain diet or anything. I try to get some exercise in somehow by either like dancing, walking around my neighborhood. Basically that is what I have for lunch, and then in between I'm just going to do some work on the laptop, and then I'll see you when I prepare dinner. I'm done working for the day. It's now dark outside, so it is now time to prepare dinner. So I forgot to mention that I drink some water during the day. Like I drink a lot of these. I had one with breakfast. I just had 2 glasses while I was working, and then I probably have 2 when I'm eating dinner. I can drink like a whole glass of water of this. I buy the spring water at Whole Foods. That's the water I drink, and then I just put it in the fridge, get some when I need some. And yeah, I can drink a lot of water. I never forget to drink water. I'm the kind of person who can drink like glasses and glasses of it. I never have that problem. I know there's like water bottles you have to like drink out of when at certain times of the day. I don't need that. I don't forget to drink my water. So this is a pretty big cup right here. I guess it's like the size of my head. So I usually fill it up to about here and stuff. So I can drink a lot of those a day. Maybe, I don't know, 6 to 8 glasses I can say. So I drink a lot of water, but I also have like orange juice for breakfast and like fruit punch for dinner, but I prefer water. So yeah, thought I would mention that. Now let's go make some dinner. I think I'm gonna have homemade french fries and a veggie burger for dinner, me and my parents. So that is what we're gonna go do and just see how I make tonight's dinner, shall we? We're heading out into the hallway and it's very dark, but don't worry, it lightens up. This is the pantry in our hallway, so I'm just getting some potatoes out from there. So I stored in a paper bag at the bottom of the pantry, so just getting a few of those. Then I'm walking over and taking it to the sink, and I just brush them with a potato brush. I rinse them off first, and then I brush them very good to get all that dirt away from them. So I do that, and I do a second wash as well. When they're all nice and clean, I head over to the table and give it to my mom. She's the one who cuts them up. I don't really like cutting the potatoes. It's always her job, so she feels useful. So she just cuts them into long strips, and they're perfect, and I really like how she does them. When they're all cut up in the strainer, I take them over to the Fry Daddy. That's what it's called. It's this appliance that we bought a couple months ago now, and it's amazing. So this is what it looks like. You just take the lid off, and then it has like a magnetic plug. You just plug it in and it warms up the oil after 15 minutes. My dad is the one who takes care of this. He puts it in because I am so scared of like popping oil. So this is his job, and good thing the appliance is called a fry daddy. So my dad cooks it most often. I'm not afraid to stir it, so I'll be the one to stir it, and sometimes like I can get it out, but I just make sure it's all well done and cooked, and then my dad took it out for me because sometimes I'm a chicken and I don't really like taking it out of the oil and burning myself. He's really good at it. My go-to seasoning is garlic salt. I'm using the rest of this because I have another bottle. I'm just sprinkle this on, and that is pretty much what I do with my fries and how I make them. Now I'm going into the freezer and getting my Morningstar grill things. I just call them my veggie burgers. As I said, I love this brand and they taste the best. I'm just spraying this grill pan. I love using this one and using spray oil so it doesn't pop all over me like I said before. Just placing the burgers on there, one for me, one for my mom. And the grill marks look amazing on this. That's why I love using this. So I'm just transferring them over onto a plate, and then I'm putting the buns on there as well. I love doing this on the barbecue, but for every day I just use this pan and it has like the same effect. I get my buns nice and toasty, add some cheese onto there because I'm a big fan of cheeseburgers, and then once that's all melty, I put on the burger on top of the buns. I transfer it over to my plate, and then I add ketchup on top of it. I love ketchup on my burgers, and I'm a big fan of Heinz, so I'm just popping on the tops of the buns and patting them down. Now here is the finished product. I love this kind of dinner. It's really good. The fries turned out amazing. They're cooked just right, and I really enjoy French fries homemade, and so did my veggie burger. I really like how it tasted, or my veggie cheeseburger. So enjoyed eating that, and I have fruit punch for dinner as well as a glass of water. So that is my dinner. If you want to know what I do after dinner, then check out my last video, which was my night routine. You can see all of it there. It is the end of the night. I'm in my pajamas, put my hair up into this messy top knot. I usually have a midnight snack. I like snacking late at night, which I know isn't good for me, but I don't really eat any snacks throughout the day. I save them for at night as my little treat, like my dessert. So I go into the fridge and then I grab my spring water. I fill my glass up, and that is pretty much my last glass of water for the night. And then I go into the pantry again, and then I get whatever snacks we have on top. I put it on the top shelf so it will refrain me from getting any, but I am 5'9", so I can reach it quite easily. It doesn't really stop me. So that concludes my What I Ate Wednesday today. I really enjoyed sharing this with you. If you want to watch more videos like this, then catch my weekly vlog, which comes out every Tuesday. It's like an extended version of this, and I share throughout the week different recipes, what I'm eating, what I'm enjoying, and then at the end of the month I share my favorite. Come back and subscribe for more content like this. I will leave everything down below that I mentioned in today's video, as well as my Instagram and my fashion blog if you want to check that out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!